subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto E7 Plus back in September this year, the company is now reported to launch another smartphone under the same lineup called Moto E7. And before the launch, the upcoming phone renders and key specification has surfaced online. According to leaks, the Moto E7 will support a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that will house an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature a dual camera setup in a square module at the top center, including LED flash. The dual rear cameras will include a 48-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. The device will come backed by a 4000 mAh battery and it will run on Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the phone appears to have an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor under the Motorola logo for authentication, and the leak renders also suggest the phone to come in green and grey color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto E7 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Moto E7 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.